Fasting, if you decide to do it as a tool to lose weight, it is something that will not hit you in your pocket very much. But there are a couple of things that I suggest that you think about buying to make the fasting experience a little more pleasurable and a little more enjoyable. So if you'd like to know what things to buy if you decide to fast, this is the video for you. So we decided to fast. Now the next thing that you should think about is what you need to have to make your fasting experience a little more pleasurable and not so much a torture that people think that it is. And there are a couple of things that you should consider buying if you don't already have them at home that will do just that. And how do I know? Well, I have been fasting for the past 28 years, and these things have helped me to keep an open mind, to keep me motivated, and especially to, light up my face in the morning when I step on that scale and see how much weight I have lost in the previous day. So this is something that I recommend, and maybe you will have the same beautiful experience fasting if you will have those objects too. Now, there is nothing very scary about the things. You probably have all of them at home already. But if you don't, here are things that I recommend to think about buying if you are starting your first prolonged fast. Now, the first thing that I would like to mention is a weight scale. Now, for those of you that would like to fast or that are going to fast because you want to lose weight, a weight scale is something that is going to make you smile every morning when you step on it. I use it every day. When I'm fasting. I even use it for the next, 2 to 3 weeks after the fast to see how I'm gaining weight back or if it's staying the same. But if you would like to have that smile on your face when you are fasting, it is incredible to step on the scale the second day of your fast and see that you have lost 1 kilogram of weight. I know that you will also know that this is only water leaving your system, but it's a great start, the great start that's going to motivate you, that's going to blow away all the dark clouds of doubt that maybe this is not for me, and it's going to keep you motivated for most of the day, because it's going to, run around in your mind, oh my god, I lost 1 kilogram in one day, what can I do in 3 weeks? So this is something that I highly recommend for you to buy if you don't already have it at home. The next thing that I recommend is a measuring tape. They are not expensive, but they are going to make your week. Why? Even now, the best thing is that after 1 week, I get to measure my body. Every week, I have this enormous grin on my face when I write down the measurements. So a seamstress tape that is bendable enough that you can, wrap it around your body, around your limbs, whichever part you would like to, keep track of, and then use it before you start your fast. So on the first day or the day before, measure all of your body, and then measure again on, on the day 8, and then measure again on the day 15, and then on the day 22 if you will be fasting for 21 days or 3 weeks. So this is something that I enjoy most when I'm fasting, and day 15 and day 8 are my favorite days, because when I get up, I go to the toilet, I step on my scale, and then I use my measuring tape to see the result that the fasting has given me from the past week. So this is something that I highly recommend you buy. The next thing that is a good idea to have, a fasting planner. It is basically a journal. Now, I highly recommend that you have it because you will see the progress that you have made through the days. A simple notebook will be just fine, and there is also you can write all of those measurements as well, so daily weight and weekly measurements as well. So there is just one more thing that I would like to mention before I end this video, and that is anything you will need to buy for your project. Now, what I mean by project, you will have bad days, and you will have an extremely bad days, and those bad days will be much easier if you have a project that you will be doing when you are fasting. Now, that project can be anything from, I don't know, watching a series, deciding on writing a book, deciding on, I don't know, keeping your garden, or anything like that. Especially good project will be something that will keep your mind and your body occupied. Now, I have a garden to take care of, I have my family to take care of, I have 2 little children to take care of, and also for my creativity I like to write. I like to write fantasy because it transports me into another world that I love. So that is something that I keep my mind off of the cravings. And it's something to think about, you know, something important enough that will take your mind off of those bad days when you were just thinking, I want to end this, I don't want to continue, I want to have a bite of that chocolate, you know, like crazy. Those days, the project will be perfect. So this is basically what I've been wanting to talk to you about today. So it is not a big list, and you don't need all of the preparations, and you don't need I don't know, technology and anything like that, because fasting is very personal, and those things that I recommended are additional, and it's something that's going to, you know, brighten up your day, especially the weight scale and especially the measuring tape, but you can go without anything and you just fast. You know, you just decide what you're going to, how long you're going to fast and what your fasting method will be, and that is good enough. You don't need to buy anything else. But if you are still thinking about fasting, and if you're still thinking about what to do before that, I have made another video, and you can watch it next, on the decisions that need to be made before you go on your first prolonged fasting journey. So if you're interested, then this is the video to watch. But in any case, thank you very much for your time, thank you very much for your patience, and I'll see you again in the next video.